In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your schedule efficiently by logging into Booksy and updating your availability settings. Whether you're an experienced user or a complete beginner, I'll guide you through each step to help you keep your calendar perfectly organized and up to date. To begin, the first thing you need to do is head over to the Booksy website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Depending on your preference, you can use your email or phone number along with your password. Be sure to have your credentials handy for a smooth and quick login process. Once logged in, the next area of interest is your calendar. To access it, look for the main menu and click on either Calendar or Appointments. These options will direct you to the interface where you manage your appointments and availability. Now let's focus on the availability settings. You'll need to find the section labeled something along the lines of availability and working hours or schedule. The name might vary slightly, but it will typically be located in your main menu or settings area, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of your dashboard. Once you've located the availability section, it's time to edit your schedule. You can do this by clicking on the Edit or Add Hours option. This will allow you to adjust your working hours according to your preferences and requirements. Here, you have the flexibility to choose the specific days of the week that you're available. Not only can you set your start and end times for each designated day, but you also have the option to include any breaks or lunch hours you typically take. This ensures that your schedule reflects the precise hours you're available and helps minimize booking conflicts. After you've carefully input your desired working hours, check over your entries to ensure everything is as you want it. Once confirmed, it's crucial to save your changes. Most platforms will have a button labeled Save or Update. Clicking this will apply your new availability settings. Finally, to wrap up, take a moment to verify that your calendar has been updated correctly. This is an important step to ensure that all your efforts translate into a seamlessly organized schedule. Check that all the new availability settings are reflected accurately. It's worth noting that any existing appointments will remain unchanged, but moving forward, new bookings will adhere to your newly updated schedule. By following these steps, you'll find it straightforward to manage and update your availability on Booksy, making it a breeze to keep your appointments aligned with your updated working hours.